Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Wanjiru Stuhler, a specialist orthodontist practicing in Kenya, and I am an Invisalign provider. So Invisalign is a clear aligner, the world-leading clear aligner that moves teeth, and it is a comfortable way of moving teeth because the patient can remove them on their own and put them back in. The technology of Invisalign involves taking a scan, sending it to the lab, getting a clean check, which is a sort of simulation that shows how the teeth will move after wearing a certain set of aligners. So these aligners need to be worn full time, most of the time between 5 and 14 days, depending on what the orthodontist decides, and it is a shorter way of straightening teeth. There is no age of doing Invisalign. The youngest patient can be as young as 6 years old, as soon as the permanent teeth come in, and the oldest patient, there is no limit. So there is no age for doing Invisalign. The orthodontist will decide if at that point Invisalign can be done or not.